Let's take another look at that wonderful save. The shot's on. Now this could be costly.
Won the ball. Finds his teammate.
That's nicely played.
And we're into stoppage time now.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into... This game really hasn't ignited yet. Which team are going to step up?
Off we go then. The managers have had a chance to have a word with their players, and it's still anyone's game.
Good ball. That's nicely played. Now that was close. Not much in it there at all. Well intercepted.
Confident pass.
Tries his luck from distance. The keeper collects that one. He's cut it back inside. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Oh, a very badly timed challenge. Some of your players are getting tired. You should bring on a substitute. To do this, pause the game and enter team manager. That's good link-up play. And the team swap possession again. Jesus.
The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. And he plays the ball back. He's knocked it long. Picked up by the defender. Lovely pass. So, still all square, both sides. Well, they deserve a point. However, there's still time left to cause a late upset. Great chance here. Shoots! And this is a world-class finish. Oh, we need to see that goal again. Quick sub lets you make changes without stopping the game. Press the tick icon to enable the substitution. It's with the striker now. Finds his teammate. The ball has gone up, and we're going to have 3 minutes of stoppage time. Time for some fresh legs, maybe. The players are warming up. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Keeper sends it long. The full-time whistle sounds. The